because here we have many dignitaries, many great ulama and many great speakers who will speak to you and who will also distribute the prizes. However, I am really thankful to the organizers of this program for their invitation, and I am really very happy to be here in this program. So I recited this verse, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, He says to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon you, O Prophet, say, are educated and non-educated people equal? No. So dear friends, this verse focuses on the importance of education, on the importance of knowledge. And not only this verse in the Holy Quran which focuses on the importance of education. There are hundreds of verses from the Holy Quran which gives the importance of education and knowledge. And if you count ahadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, you will find at least 500 ahadith which speak about the importance of education and knowledge. And you will be surprised to learn the fact that it is only Islam which focuses much on the importance of knowledge and education. And you will also be surprised to learn the fact that in the Holy Quran there are about 78,000 words. There are about 78,000 words in the Holy Quran. And the first word revealed on the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the word Iqra. Read, get knowledge. So the first revealed word on the Prophet Muhammad was related directly education and knowledge. So it's sufficient to focus and to shed light on the importance of knowledge and education. Dear friends, Hazrat Maulana Asrarullah Qasmi Sahib Barakatuh, he justly reminded us of the importance of education and knowledge, and he presented before us the survey and the realities of the world, of the people of the world about Islam. And he told us, he spoke on this topic, that how enemies of Islam, they are busy day and night to make conspiracies against Islam and against Muslims. And they are busy attacking Muslims. But this attack is not of physical kind. This is not a physical kind of attack, but this is an attack of intellectual kind. Intellectual attack they are setting. So dear friends, in fact, when we are surveying the reality, we find that we are lagging behind in education and in knowledge. And it's very sad that the community who has led the whole world for many centuries, the community who received revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in which more emphasis has been made on the importance of knowledge and education, the same community is lagging behind. The same community is the most backward community in the world. And the community is displaced, is insulted everywhere. It's very sad. Hazrat Maulana Damat Barakatuh made many very effective comments, and his effective speech was really very moving. And his speech was an eye-opener for us. So we must take lessons. We must be very careful. We must get to our conscience, and we should not live our life just like animals, just like other indifferent communities, because we believe and we have a strong belief in the hereafter as well. Whatever we do in this world will be asked, will be questioned in the hereafter. So our final destination is not this world. Our final destination is the hereafter. We must do whatever we can for our final destination, which is the hereafter. We must improve our life here. We must improve our iman here, so that we can be the real successful people in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the best formula has been given by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he said that khayrukum man yarfa'u an-nas, means the best among you is he who benefits people more. So we must see, we must analyze ourselves, we must analyze our activities, our deeds, whether we are going to be most useful people for our community and for other communities as well or not. If not, we must be like this. So dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, since there are many guests, many distinguished guests, and they will speak on several topics related to this program, I would like to conclude my talk, and I would like to especially request my young friends in women and in men that they must not be victim of inferiority complex. We are super people, we are super beings because of our belief, because of a strong belief in our heart. The stronger we are in belief in our heart, the stronger we are in fact and in reality. So we must not be victim of the inferiority complex and of the media propaganda. And at last I would like to indicate that it's very interestingly, ironically, that the whole media is against Islam nowadays. Most of them, majority of them, and majority of the media is being handled by the Jew community. And they are, day and night, they are making conspiracies against Islam. And they are showing their enmity against Islam, against the teachings of Islam under several banners. Sometimes they say that women are depressed, women are oppressed in the Muslim community. But in fact, if you look around the world and if you analyze the people who are converting to Islam from other communities, from other religions, from other faiths, you will find the bigger number of women who are converting to Islam. Why? They have been propagating against Islam for many centuries that women are oppressed in Islam. Women are like animals in Islam. They have no dignified life. They are locked in within four walls of the house, in spite of their propaganda, in spite of their, you can say, advertisements. It's women who are accepting Islam in a greater number. So it means that Islam has a real beauty, Islam has a real effective teachings. So dear friends, we are required to preach and propagate the real teachings of Islam. And more important than that is that we must be practicing Muslims. Unless we be practicing Muslims, we cannot successfully preach and propagate Islam. So we should try to be a practicing Muslim. We should try to make our friends, make our family members to be more and more practicing Muslims. With these words, I would like to conclude my talk. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.